Hello, my friend. I'm gonna show you today how I make my broccoli and shrimp in garlic sauce. Okay? Yes, today I'm gonna be showing you this very simple recipe, and I'm using my shrimp well cleaned. I've shown you many times how I clean my shrimp. Okay, so you can watch those other videos. I'm gonna add it under this video. I'm using a lot of garlic, and I'm gonna put a bit of ginger powder. I'm using broccoli, spring onion, the hot pepper, and I'm using cabbage. I'm gonna wash all these ingredients and I will cut it. Okay, I will cut it, and this I'm cutting it big. Okay, so I'll start by cutting my cabbage. And this we're gonna eat it with spaghetti. You can eat it with other stuff that you like to eat, or on its own if you are on diet. Okay, cut it and I will boil it for a short time to steam the vegetables. When steaming it, you can add a tiny bit of salt so that it adds a bit of taste to it. So I'm going to separate my cauliflower. My children like this vegetable a lot. That is why I want to try and make good use of it so that I can be using it more. So I'll prepare all of this together separately. I've already prepared the cabbage. So I've steamed it not for long. It's boiling now. I'm going to remove it, and then I'll steam the cauliflower as well. The broccoli as well. If you are looking for a way to eat broccoli, I didn't used to like broccoli, but now I do, because doing it this way really make it taste short. You will now start looking for broccoli recipe to make. And as you know, broccoli is very, very healthy. I don't really always want to go into the health sector. You can Google to see the health benefit of broccoli and cabbage. I will always recommend this to those who are doing ketogenic diet. They can easily make this and eat it without having to eat carbohydrate. So this is a very healthy recipe for ketogenic diet. Prepare all of this. See how much broccoli it is. So I'm gonna steam that out. Then while I get my garlic prepared, so I'll put it here for me to blend. I'm not going to blend this smooth, so that's why I'm using this. Okay, I'm using this my hand blender. This is going to be rough blending, not smooth. I don't want it smooth. This sauce is very healthy. I know now they are recommending that we eat food as medicine. So I recommend that we all try this. Garlic, is very medicinal. And all the vegetable I'm using on this stew is very medicinal. I recommend you try it and put in the comment box what you think about this recipe. So I'm gonna steam I'm steaming my broccoli as well. I've steamed the cabbage. I'm using ginger powdered, and I'm using paprika, black pepper, I'll stir it together. You can add a bit of salt. Trust me, the ginger powder, they all come with salt. So I'll now fry it. Hot water, hot oil, I mean. A bit of salt I've added now. Cover it for a short time while I cut my spring onions. As I always recommend, as I always hail our women and those who are in the powerhouse, all the chefs, and you guys work. We are always multitasking in the kitchen, trying to minimize our time, not to take too much time in doing one particular thing. So while this one is boiling, you are doing another thing. Okay, so I've cut my spring onions. Now the stream is done, so I'm going to add all my ingredients. See? Leave it to boil. So I'm going to fry all the other ingredients like the onions, the garlic. I'm using a tiny bit of butter. They smell really nice. You can minus or plus on the ingredient according to what you like. You don't have to use everything I've used, especially the garlic. Many people don't like adding garlic to their meals or adding a lot of it, so you can adjust to your taste. How beautiful the green look. So remember, I've already steamed my cauliflower and I've already steamed my cabbage. So I'll turn everything together and stir it. So that is it. And this